శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching to Parikshit Narendra about the process of meditation and also answering the questions of Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, you have asked me a question that what one should be doing when it is the last moment of his life. So I answered that question. Now I am going to be telling you about those who are seeking fruits other than moksham. So what should be they doing to get their desires fulfilled? Those details now I am going to be disclosing to you. O Parikshit Narendra, those who wants Brahmavarchasakamastu yajeta Brahmanah patim. If they want to get the glow, the divine glow in their face, and if they want to fulfill their life with the divine glow, they have to be offering their aradhana to Chaturmukha Brahma. O Parikshit Narendra, Indram Indriyakamastu, those who wants to strengthen their senses, they have to worship Indra. Prajakamah Prajapatin, those who wants to get children, they have to worship Prajapati. Devim Mayantu Srikamaha, those who wants to become rich, they have to worship Devi. Tejaskamo Vibhavasum, those who wants to get Tejas, they have to worship Agni Devata. Vasukamo Vasun, those who wants to get wealth, they have to worship Vasu. And those who wants to get Viryam, the courage, they have to worship Rudras. And those who wants to get rice and other grains, they have to worship Aditi. Those who wants to get heaven, they have to worship Devatas. Viswan Devan Rajyakamaha, those who wants to get kingdom, they have to worship Viswadeva. Those who wants to become dear to everyone, they have to worship Sadhya. Those who wants to get long life, they have to worship Aswini Devata. Those who wants to become stronger, physically stronger, Pushtikama Ilam Yajeta, they have to worship Bhudevi. Those who wants to be stable in their portfolio, they have to worship Akasam and Bhumi. Those who wants to become beautiful, handsome, they have to worship Gandharvas. Those who wants to get very nice spouse, they have to worship Urvasi. Those who wants to get Adhipatyam, the leadership, they have to worship Brahmadeva. Those who want to get fame, they have to worship Varuna. Those who wants to get good education, they have to Vidyakamastu Girisam. They have to worship Paramasiva for Jnanam. Those who wants to have very harmony relationship between spouses, Dampatyardha Umam Satim, they have to worship Parvati Devi. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshit Narendra about all the different aradhanas and their respective devatas and their respective desires to be fulfilled. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.